Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar CAD, I still think that it looks like it should potentially start a big downtrend for what I think is a wave C. I think this is 3 waves of W, 3 waves of X, and I think it needs to make 1, 2, 3 waves down for a wave Y to complete what looks to me like a big WXY pattern on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly time frame. Now we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement, which is definitely a very good place for this to potentially start a big move down. We don't really have a lower, higher, or breaker structure yet, so technically the trend is still up on these higher time frames. Going down to the daily, now my structure level that would confirm that this whole move up is complete is right here. If it goes down and breaks this area right here with momentum, then I definitely would turn into a seller. Right now, I'm technically still looking for logs because not only is the trend up, but the market flow is also up right now too. So I think that this is possibly like a 1, possibly go up for a 2, and then maybe eventually we'll get lucky and it'll go down for a wave 3, break structure, and start that huge downtrend that I showed on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, the dollar pairs have been very slow the last couple of weeks, as you probably already know. I think this first push down is a wave A or a wave 1. I still think that this is not a complete pattern. I think this is a A. I think this is a B. I think this is potentially going to go up and make a C. Then this should be an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, and then I think it's potentially going to go down and either make a C, which if it is a wave C, it'll make a higher low, and continue the uptrend. If it's a wave 3, then it will blow way past this breaker structure point, confirming that this uptrend is over on the daily time frame, and at that point we definitely want to turn into sellers longer term. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement of this last move up right here, which I think is a wave A. I still think that this is an ABC right here. We have non-farm payroll coming out today, which I kind of feel like it's potentially going to go down. Probably take out these lows, maybe grab this Fibonacci level, grab some liquidity to finish off a wave B. Then I think it's going to start a move to the upside for the wave C. Non-farm payroll does do spike reversals a lot of the times. So most of the time, the first initial move that you see is actually not the real move of the day. It's just a liquidity grab, and then it probably is going to end up going up and making either a wave B or a wave 2, just like I showed on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.